Hi, I'm Meredith from the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. Did you know you can easily regrow some of your vegetables just by using kitchen scraps? Here I've got some celery and a green bell pepper. I'm going to use the bottom of this bunch of celery and some seeds from the green bell pepper to regrow new ones. To grow your bell pepper, you'll just take a few of the seeds left over from when you cut it and place them in a container filled with soil. I have some empty pots laying around, but you can use just about any container, like this leftover cup from last year's Halloween party. Aw man, remember parties? Gently press a couple of the seeds into the soil, about 1/4 of an inch deep. Make sure they're covered up. Water this often and put it in a sunny location. I planted my celery base a few days ago using the same technique, and you can see it's already starting to sprout. You can do this with other vegetables too, like green onion, romaine lettuce, or potatoes. What will you grow in your Scrappy garden?